Is there anyone on top?
Top's empty. Whoa! Hit! Bravo!
Have you got visual? Was it?
Yeah.
Contact! Yeah, ready this bug guy, send your message over. Yeah, understood.
Incoming.
Hits! Bravo! Billy, you know when you say 6 o'clock?
No, literally they are.
Which direction I was facing at the time?
Which way were you facing?
I was facing towards them, and I was looking back at trenches thinking...
They get me from that side. Fuck it, let's go and have a look. What's the worst that's going to happen? Can you get shot again? Billy, yeah? Orange band. Seen, yeah. We've got one down the path here, one over in the bushes over there.
Probably another one around
Come round behind you. Hits! Bravo!
Did you see him?
Yeah, seen him. Can't see him. Or do you want to go around that way?
No, fuck it, straight on through.
Alright.
Okay.
You get too far. The straight on pass goes straight Charlie down the main track. Do you want to just go pistols? Good, I'm happy. See that? Look. Kind of Puma. Yeah.
Hit! Bravo!
Let's go! That's 2 Bravo! We have a man 5 minutes. Come on, let's go!
They're up the track, they're up the track. To the left hand side, up the track.
Listen to him!
Okay, be careful, he will shoot you.
guys. I walked in there and started fucking to myself. I walked right up to him. There we go. One more. Keep going. Push that advantage. Go.